Hey guys, Alexi here. I've got another recipe to share with you. Thanks everyone for your comments, especially some of the interesting ones.
Макаревич, ёпта!
Today I'm going to be making some marinated mushrooms. This is really easy to make. If you're at home, if you're looking for something to spice up your table, something interesting, something to try. These are all the ingredients that you really need. Champignons that you can buy in Coles or Woolies. Frankly, I don't even know why they sell them like that by themselves. They don't really taste very good. French vinegar. Make sure you get the real stuff, not the light or the diet one. Garlic. There's going to be some garlic. Black ground chili or black ground pepper or peppercorns if you can find them, and bay leaves as well. So all I got to do is drain the water out of the mushrooms, and then basically put it in a can and have the French dressing on top. That's really as simple as that. So let me do this. So now that it's all done, I just got to leave it in the fridge for about 12 to 24 hours and it's all ready to go. Very simple dish, very easy to make, and guys, I encourage you to try something like this and let me know how it goes for you. If you've got any other recipes you'd like to share, if there's anything you want to ask, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.